Alright, hey guys, just Vincent here. I'm gonna do an installation of the Marantz Professional Sound Shield Compact. Here's the box, and I'll show you how to install it. So, yeah, here it goes. Here's the shield. Here's the support for the mic. And you have to put this first, okay? This support. You have to put it first. And then you put the shield. And yeah, you screw on the shield first after you put on the support. And then you turn it. See this? You turn it. Okay. Turn it. You have to make sure that you're steady with your turning. Okay, so you turn it. You turn it. There we go. Okay. Alright, there we go. Maybe a bit more. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so once your shield is on nice and steady, so you put your support in front of your shield. So when you open it, okay, you can just open it like this, and then you'd be able to put, you have to put these things here, which is, okay, so you put this, you have your thread here for your mic, okay, so you put it in front here. You put this washer here, and you put another washer under, because it comes with a washer. Okay. So then you screw it. You have to put the washer on top of the support and underneath the support, so it has double washers. And then you tighten this bolt underneath, and now that it's tight, now your Marantz shield and support is ready to take any of your condenser mics, because typically this reflection filter is made for condenser mics to absorb the acoustic sounds, or the reverberation around your mic if your room is not well treated. So yeah, so here we go. It's installed, and you can close your reflection filter, or you can open it. Okay, so there we go. I'm just gonna show you. That's what it looks like in the back and in the front. There we go. Just gonna show you. Nice and metal. So yeah, guys, that was an installation of the Marantz Shield Compact, and I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao for now. Bye. If there's any questions, leave a comment. So, yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, and ciao for now. Okay, bye.